Thanks for spending some of your Thursday morning with us right here on Spectrum News 1. Meteorologist Robert Suhr with another check of that forecast. Next couple of days, really a tale of a couple of halves here. Nice and quiet today and tomorrow before all sorts of heavy rain is on the way for Saturday. It is definitely looming on the horizon, and all of this rainfall certainly looking like it's going to add up. Look at the expansive area of 2 to 3 or more inches, according to the Weather Prediction Center, with the highest amounts to our southwest. Ground is already very, very saturated. It can't hold much water, so a lot of this is just going to run off, and we're looking at rapid rises in streams and creeks. And you look at the excessive rainfall risk for Saturday, we are firmly in the moderate risk, which you don't see very often. This is rainfall that's heavy enough to result in flooding, and when you get into that moderate risk, it's almost looking like a certainty. So please be careful if you're headed out Saturday, and don't drive through flooded roadways. You know your particular neighborhood best. A pretty dangerous situation, I think, is setting up for our Saturday, but not today. We'll be nice and quiet. Some slow clearing as we go through the day. So by this evening, we might squeak out an hour or two of some sunshine right as it's setting over the horizon. As you see that clearing line right on top of us as we get towards sunset, it's going to be close. We'll see if we get a couple of peaks of sunshine. Clear skies tonight as high pressure builds in, but man, it will get cold by the time we wake up for work and school on Friday morning. Widespread teens with that continual northerly flow, keeping things very, very chilly before clouds build right back in for Friday ahead of that system that'll bring us all that rainfall on Saturday. So we'll say some late day sunshine, temperatures crawling above the freezing mark, but the stiff northwesterly winds will make it feel like we're in the 20s for a good part of the day. You see the normal high is 48, nowhere near that across the entire region, with generally a cloudy day throughout the day. No issues getting off the bus this afternoon, as we'll maybe see a peak of sunshine or two with temperatures hovering around that freezing mark, and then about 15 degrees below normal tonight as we'll fall into the mid to upper teens. And you look at that extended forecast, there's all of that rainfall on Saturday, and then falling temperatures Sunday. That rain will probably end as a little bit of snow shower activity before bitterly cold air looks to return by next week.